days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad.
Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Delia C. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna get my day started. I'm gonna make myself some breakfast. And one thing about me, I don't skip breakfast. So I feel for banana oatmeal pancakes. So I'm gonna head to the kitchen and I'm gonna bring you guys and I'll show you how I make my banana oatmeal pancake. And let's head to the kitchen, guys.
Giving you the best, amazing, outrageous. It's simple, I love it. Having you near me, having you here. Our conversations, outrageous. You smile when I smile, when I say, oh, this is getting personal, personal, personal. Let's stay for a while and play. Girl, let's make this a moment. Oh, giving you the best of me. Amazing, amazing. Oh, having you close to me. Amazing, outrageous. Oh, you're the best of me. Good morning, good morning. It's breakfast. Lost track of time, but we had a ball. Let's catch a movie, then dinner. Tonight we'll just unwind and stay.
Alright guys, so I am ready to head out. The sun is shining, which is a good thing. But one thing about the sun, it will trick you, especially in the winter time. Well, it's not winter. They're saying it's spring, but it's not really spring. You still need your jacket. This is Canada for you. I'm gonna head out, and when I finish, I'll come back and check in with you guys. See you guys in a bit. Hey guys, so I am back. My battery died. I am hungry. I am going to make myself something to eat before I head out back again. Yesterday I made tuna patties, so I'm gonna make myself a tuna burger.
She said take your time, let's do it. I said baby I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said take your time, let's do it. I said baby I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I can smoke already, so part of my planet.
So I already took a bite. I had that yesterday and it was so good, y'all. So good. Alright, so I'm now gonna go finish eat and I'll see you guys. This tastes so good, y'all. Alright guys, so I'm back. I'm gonna head to Bulk Barn and Walmart. So I want to head out before the sun goes down. So let's head on out.
Baby, so mommy, you know say you matching my steez. You know I'm a G, shawty I'm always keep it real. I know they got too much whining, they got too much whining. I see they be, I see shadow they enter. We have to color be, but you show yourself to oversabi. Love is in the air, baby breathe. I dey available, baby anytime you need me I dey available. Compatible, two of us they compatible. Girl I be bad boy for girls say.
Okay guys, so I just left Bulk Barn. It is so cold. It is cold. So we're gonna go Walmart, see what I can pick up.
Say I remember, baby I be forward, baby take it slow, baby go down low. Nobody has to know, yeah, I know I play around, my man on this, you let you go. Baby, baby, so mommy.
In Burger King, right over there.
Baby take it slow, baby go down low. Nobody has to know, yeah, I know I play around, my man on this, you let you go. Baby.
So I just got home. I got my Burger King. It was so busy at Burger King. They deep fry the apple pie. That's what it looks like, y'all. This looks so good. So good. So yeah, I'm gonna go and unwind. I am tired. I'll see you guys in the morning. I'm checking out. Alright guys, so this is the next day. I just finished eating. I did some decluttering and I have 2 garbage bags with a reusable bag that I need to take to the thrift shop. It looks a little bit gloomy outside, so I don't think I want to go outside today. So let me show you guys the bags I have. This is the 2 bags and this bag right here that I am going to drop off. So yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna sit down. I feel so dehydrated. I need to drink some water, y'all. So let me go get some water. I need to edit my video so I can have something to post. What else? I need to fold my laundry. I keep saying that. I keep saying I need to fold my laundry. What I'm gonna do, I am gonna go and upload what I need to upload, start editing, and then fold my laundry, and later on I can finish my editing. I am gonna go and finish edit, and then I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so I took a pause from the editing. I am hungry. It is now 5:24. I do have some tuna in my pantry, so I will use this tuna. Why is not focused? Right here. I'm gonna use tuna to make tuna burgers. I'm gonna show you guys how I make it. It's super simple, super easy. So let's get started.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah, yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. No. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the pictures on replay. Sit right next to you. You. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think you wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you.
Alright, so I grated onion, garlic, and sweet pepper. Now I'm gonna add the egg. Just 1 egg. Breadcrumbs. I'm gonna add a little bit of Dijon mustard. And now I'm gonna season up my tuna. I'm gonna use Old Bay, garlic powder, smoked paprika. Season it all up, y'all. Use whatever seasoning that you want to use. Nobody's stopping you. Do whatever you like. Add some Maggi. Garlic powder. I'm gonna add some black pepper as well. I do not have fresh parsley. I used it all up, so I'm gonna just use some dried parsley. I like to add just a little bit of what is it? I like to add just a little bit of lemon in there because tuna does have this freshness to it, so just a little bit of lemon to cut that scent. And we're gonna mix it all together. So it is a little bit wet in texture, so I'm gonna add more breadcrumbs so we can soak that all up. It needs a little bit more. I cannot give you guys measurement because I just do whatever, and whenever the ancestors tell me to stop, I stop. But the texture has to be firm. Well seasoned, y'all. This texture is good for me. I'm gonna take a plate. My patties are finished. That is what it's looking like. I turned the stove on. I'm waiting for my frying pan to be heated. Then I'm just gonna add a little bit of olive oil and fry them up. So let's do that right now.
Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Tell you what I did last night. I came home, say around 2:45. Still so high, hypnotized in a trance from this body, so buttery brown and tantalizing. You would have thought I needed help from this feeling that I felt. So shook I could catch my breath. Ooh, there goes my shirt above.
So this is my patties. Doesn't it look good? It looks so good. So I'm gonna make a sauce with mayo, ketchup, and relish. Alright, so I'm finished making my tuna burger. I'm so greedy. I use like 2 patty on the bun. Look at this. And then I made a matcha as well. So I'm gonna close up the vlog. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Click that post notification so you guys will be notified every time I upload a video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.